Slide 1. Notification Overview. Welcome to the UPSC Recruitment Notification 2025. The Union Public Service Commission invites online applications for multiple posts across various ministries. These include positions such as Regional Director, Scientific Officer, Administrative Officer Grade 1, Junior Scientific Officer, and more. A total of 56 vacancies are available across different departments under the Government of India. Slide 2. Total vacancies. There are a total of 56 vacancies. Some of the key posts include 1 post for Regional Director, 2 posts for Scientific Officer, 8 posts for Administrative Officer Grade 1, 9 posts for Junior Scientific Officer, and 19 posts for Manager Grade 1 or Section Officer in the Canteen Stores Department. For the complete list of posts, candidates should refer to the official notification. Slide 3. Application fee. The notification does not mention the application fee explicitly. Applicants are advised to visit the official UPSC website, upsconline.gov.in, for accurate and up-to-date information on the fee structure while applying. Slide 4. Important dates. The advertisement number for this recruitment is 08-2025. The online application form is available on the official UPSC website at upsconline.gov.in. Candidates should regularly check the portal for the opening and closing dates of the application process. Slide 5. Age limit. The age limit varies depending on the post and category. For instance, the upper age limit for the Regional Director is 50 years for the unreserved category and 56 years for PWBD candidates. For Scientific Officer positions, the maximum age is 30 years. Administrative Officer Grade 1 posts have age limits up to 40 years depending on reservation categories. Always check the specific age limit criteria for the post you are applying to. Slide 6. Qualification. Educational qualifications and experience requirements vary by post. Examples include MSc in Microbiology, Botany, or Agriculture for Regional Director. A master's degree or BE or BTech in Chemistry or Physics for Scientific Officers. A bachelor's degree along with relevant administrative experience for Administrative Officers. For Junior Scientific Officers, candidates should have degrees in engineering or science disciplines with relevant experience. Please refer to the notification for post-wise qualification details.